everybody, this is Ali with US Healing System, and today we're going to start a series of tutorial videos on how to give life to your Facebook pages after a break or after deactivation. We'll also go today through reasons why your account would not be active and ways of reactivating your account. So let's start with the fact that you will need your credentials. You will need your access to your email address and the phone number that are connected to your Facebook account. And if you don't have those, then that's a totally different situation. So let's start with the fact that you just deactivated your account or initiated a cancellation of your page, and now you want to restart the process for whatever reasons you decided to do so. So first we'll go through the scenario of you actually initiating the cancellation of your account, and now you change your mind and decided to restart the process of managing your accounts. For that you will need to log in. As I said, you will need to still remember your credentials and have access to the email and phone number. If you don't having access to email and phone number, you will easily be able to follow the Facebook settings to change the password or to recover that password. But imagine that you do have the access, and what you need to do is log in first of all, and then go to your account and cancel the deletion of your account. So Facebook gives you 30 days from the initiation of cancellation to change your mind and cancel your deletion. They normally don't cancel your account immediately. They are rescheduling it ahead of time, like you see in this specific screen. I'll make it bigger right here. So let's say you have initiated your cancellation in July 29th. You have until August 29th to cancel the deletion of your account. If you are not in time, then you are not going to be able to cancel the deletion. So hopefully you're in time and you change your mind in 30 days and you're able to do that and follow those steps. To reactivate your page, so if you did not cancel or request to cancel your page, but you deactivated your page, what you need to do is, again, log into your account, go to the pages. It's located on the left menu. It's right here, if you see it on the screen. And then you need to get to the page that you want to reactivate, and you are requesting the reactivation of your page from there, and you will be allowed to publish the page again. So it's live again. So these are the steps to reactivate your page or to cancel the deletion. If for some reason you try to log into your page and Facebook, it says that this page does no longer exist for various reasons, then this is something that is handled differently. There is two ways to deal with that, and you really need to jump onto this problem 7 days from the original Facebook disabling of your page. If you are not in time, then you will not be able to reactivate your Facebook page. Let's go through some reasons why Facebook would deactivate your page. I have them listed right here. You still see my screen. Okay. So number one, I mentioned here is fake Facebook page or account profile. Basically using fake identity. They can identify it by the artificial intelligence or by reports, and if that was a mistake, you still are able to reactivate your account. Running and promoting competition on your Facebook page. Be very careful not to violate the rules and policies. Misrepresentation, like an interpretation of another person or another business. Posting copyright protected content. So you really need to be very careful not to violate their rules, privacy policy and terms and conditions. But if they detect such a violation, they will deactivate your account. Offensive and controversial content, cover photos. What that means is if your photo has more than 20% cover with text, then they consider it cover photo. If you violate this multiple times, they will deactivate your account. So to reactivate, there is two ways to do that, and we recommend you to do both of them at the same time. So the way to do that is go to the report a page unavailable error. It's a link. Let me open it right here for you guys to see. It looks like this, and you really need to fill in all the necessary fields, even the ones that are not required, because the more information you give, the better chance you have to reactivate your account. And then you are able to also send a detailed email to info@support.facebook.com. So it's info@support.facebook.com, opening ticket describing your problem and the situation, and they will be able to reactivate your account or at least respond to you with their final decision. So this was the first part of how to handle reactivation, or how to give life to your Facebook account that you have not tackled for a while, or has been deactivated or cancelled. We'll continue with the series of these tutorials about Facebook and about the improvement after reactivation in other parts of this tutorial, so watch out for our segments of this tutorial coming up soon. This was Alice Pino with US Selling System. US Selling System is a digital marketing company in the area of Los Angeles. We are servicing startups, entrepreneurs, and small and medium-sized businesses. Follow us to find out more about digital marketing tips and tricks, and to gain more information about what US Selling System is doing to help small and medium-sized businesses progress in the digital world.